Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable ultra-wide camera on Snapchat on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device and go to the camera screen. You will notice a number above the capture button, usually displayed as 0.6 or 1x. Tap on 0.6 to instantly switch to the ultra-wide lens if your phone supports it. Another way to enable ultra-wide mode is by using a two-finger gesture. Simply pinch the screen inward using two fingers. This action will zoom out the camera view and automatically switch to the ultra-wide lens, allowing you to capture a wider scene. If the ultra-wide option does not appear, make sure your Android phone actually supports ultra-wide functionality and that Snapchat has the necessary permissions to access all available lenses. So that's basically how you can enable ultra-wide camera on Snapchat on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.